What's up, guys? Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is day 12 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. This is the most jumps so far. We got 180 jumps, so let's get straight into it. Remember, if you want to follow along, I'll put the actual whole 30-day challenge in the description of the video. Comment, let me know if you're doing this as well. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because we're working over here. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.